Welcome back to Autoscope. BYD Motorhome 2026. Aerodynamic and futuristic exterior design. Panoramic glass windows. The car's large panoramic glass windows offer breathtaking inside views of the surroundings. LED lighting. The lighting system's usage of LED technology gives it a sleek, contemporary look. Solar panels. To promote off-grid capabilities and lessen reliance on charging stations, the motorhome's roof is probably going to be equipped with solar panels to replenish the batteries. Wheel configuration. A potential 6-wheel arrangement is depicted in some ideas, which would improve the vehicle's off-road performance and stability. Intelligent and opulent interior. AI-powered control system voice commands or artificial intelligence AI can be used to operate several aspects of a vehicle, including the entertainment system and lights. Smart living space. With clever foldable furniture that can be moved around as needed, the space is incredibly adaptable. The seating section, for instance, can be transformed into a dining or sleeping space. Fully furnished kitchen. This RV has a contemporary kitchen with a refrigerator, storage space, and an induction stove. Advanced entertainment system. Entertainment is provided by a big, integrated old screen that creates an environment reminiscent of a mini cinema. Technology and performance of electric drivetrains. Drivetrain, a dual-motor all-wheel drive AWD system, which provides strong performance and excellent traction, is anticipated to be a feature of the motorhome. It is anticipated that power output will reach about 400 horsepower. Battery and range. The RV is anticipated to have a range of up to 500 kilometers on a single charge thanks to BYD's well-known safe and long-lasting blade battery technology. It is therefore the best option for long-distance travel. The motorhome will offer fast charging in addition to solar charging, enabling drivers to resume driving as soon as possible. Zero-emission vehicle. This RV is an eco-friendly option because it is an electric vehicle with no exhaust emissions.